What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I will do a trade recap of some trades I took with the universal model. And I will try to go in deep to explain some stuff I didn't explain before. So you really want to be watching this till the end because I will really expose some stuff. So face reveal today, but I'm a little bit shy, so let's not talk about it anymore, okay? Let's go straight to the video. As always, everyone, thank you for using my codes, okay? So, current active deals, 83% off of option 1 Bullnox accounts, right? Best current prop firm in the game, right? 30% off and no activation fees. This is the best deal you can currently buy, okay? And Phidias is coming strong as of late, so they been doing 90% off every now and then. So it's a solid prop firm as well, and you can go with cheap accounts with it as well now because of the 90% off. And by the way, Phidias is the only prop firm that offers swing trading futures account. Okay, so let's not talk about this anymore, and let's go straight to our first trade example, okay? So, last Thursday, right? Market open. We had London lows here, and as you can see, we closed under London lows with a 15-minute fair value gaps. So when I see this screams continuations, okay? So I'm having this fair value gap in the visor, right? And when it's created, I'm going to the M1, right? And I'm waiting for this, okay? So price will go to the fair value gap, will do some kind of manipulation in here, say ESD, breaker, IFVG, all the good stuff, and we'll go continue the trend and give us the 2 Rs, okay? So I want here some kind of SMG, right? And this is the best, the Model 1 SMG, which is the easiest one to spot, right? And sometimes we have this kind of SMGs, right? You can go and check the SMG video for that, okay? So what we had this day, right? So I was here. It was a market holiday, but as of late, market moves the best in market holidays. So I was sitting, right? Then price made it to the fair value gap, okay? So I saw this displacement, right? And then I opened YM, right, my charts, and I saw that we had this beautiful SMG with YM, okay? So this was now the CESD, right? And what was beautiful about this trade is that, where's my square? All right, so we closed under these fair value gaps as well, making this now an IFVG as well. Okay, so IFVG, CESD, SMG, all the good stuff, right? So my entry was aggressive because I knew this IFVG will hold price, right? So I executed at the IFVG, put my stops at the highs, but to be honest, I put my stop here. So it was 12 point stop loss, 2 Rs, right? I get tagged in here, right? And price went quickly to my take profit, okay? So just to correct some of the charts I see in the group, in the Discord, right? And by the way, if you want to join the Discord, it's free. You go to my link tree and you will find the link, right? So the thing is, I'm seeing that everyone is just looking for the pattern, like the SMT, CSD, and they want to take it, right? But the most important thing is actually the narrative, right? So here, price was going down, right? We broke under these lows with this fair value gap, right? So we had to respect this fair value gap if we wanted to go lower. And in the other charts, like the old contract, this doll was given by this trade, right? All right. This is just because the continuous contract is like another kind of chart, but in the old contract, you will go and see that this doll was reached in that day. Okay. So this is why price was bearish that day, and it gave this beautiful setup. Okay. Now, let's go to another day, right? Let me go to Twitter to see when the other setups happened. So I think we had a beautiful 1 hour VG at London the day before. So price was just at London, right? We had this beautiful hourly FVG here. And now this is the important part, because I will show you even another model, right? We will talk about the fractal model by TTrades and how you can catch continuations with it, okay? So we had this beautiful fair value gap. We had this equal highs at the fair value gap. And if we go and check ES, yeah, we had this beautiful SMT at the fair value gap, okay? So if you can see that ES never reached the fair value gap, okay? So 1 hour to M5, right? And we had this beautiful CSD. The IFVG was here, right? So if price wanted to expand higher, we needed to respect this FVG because it was responsible of weakening here, right? So the moment we close under it, and CSD as well, and SMT, now this is like asking for shorts, right? So short, 20 points stop loss. I targeted my 2 hours. I'm not interested in taking this, although they were an easy target. Okay. Now let's go, and this is a model I will go in deep in other videos, right? So it's like the CRT model, right? But we will trade the third candle. Now this is what the TTrades Fractal Model is, right? So you can see that we had the CRT happening at a fair value gap with SMG, right? So you wait for this candle actually to close, right? And you need to see if it gave a CSD. So this is your first thing you want to happen, right? First step, CSD in the second candle, okay? So when the second candle give the CSD, right, you go and you wait for actually the opposing candles to form, and then we CSD under them. Or these opposing candles need to touch some kind of fair value gap. Then when we close under them, it's valid to short. If we don't touch or mitigate a fair value gap, we want a short-term high to get to run, then a CSD, then we enter and we go for hour to hour or something. Okay. Now you can go also to the 3 minute, right? Because sometimes the price is wants to move fast, so you will miss the move in the M5, as I will explain to you now. Okay, so third candle opens here, right? It instantly mitigates this fair value gap, right? And we close under, right? So you can short aggressively and target 2 hours, and preferably your 2 hours need to be before an objective. Okay, if the 2 hours is like here, or let's say 2 hours is here, sometimes price will just wick here and reverse on you, right? So this is the most important part. The MMXM or the original consolidation need to be before the 2 hour. Okay, so you short aggressively because sometimes they won't come back to give you an entry. Target your 2 hours. I usually put my stop just above these candles. It was exactly 2 hour, right? So price went and give TP really fast. Now let's go back to the M5, right? So if you can see, the M5 didn't give like an order block or an opposing candles, right? It gave something else. If you guys know or study some of quarterly theory, so this is something, right? But you don't need to know everything. Like this 3 minutes fair value gap or order block is enough for you to take the trade. Okay, so this stuff happens over and over, and I will talk to you guys in next videos about this model. I just need to put the idea straight, and I will teach it to you guys for free as always. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long, right? It's also my first video in front of the camera, right? So I'm not feeling that confident. Anyway, so as always, guys, I love you. See you guys in next video. Ciao, ciao, bslama.